welcome to Florent's Science Mode. What's on the menu? Let's find out. Spin the wheel. So for this experiment today, we're going to blow up a balloon with yeast. Now all you'll need for this is a packet of yeast, a teaspoonful of sugar, a small balloon, it can be, in this case it's a small water balloon, it can be any size you want it to be, and a water bottle which you should have filled up with a little bit of hot water. So then you will add all of the yeast from the packet, pour it in to the bottle, and you will gently swirl it around for a few seconds. So as it's being swirled around here, it's dissolving, it's becoming active, it's coming to life. Don't bother looking for movement though, because it's microscopic fungi organism. So right now it's dissolving in the water, which you should be able to see. Then you're going to add the sugar. And you're going to swirl it around some more. Like people, yeast needs energy to be active, so we're giving it sugar, and now the yeast is sort of eating. Now, so we're going to take a balloon, stretch it out a bit, put it around the top of the bottle, and what we will do, we will let it sit in a warm place for about 15 to 20 minutes, and if all goes well, it should inflate. So now you can see 20 minutes later, and the balloon has inflated here. It's even, there must be a small gap here because the liquid is starting to drip out. So what actually happens? So as the yeast is eating this sugar, it's releasing a gas called carbon dioxide. This gas is then filling up the bottle and then the balloon, and this may make you relate to something else the yeast has to offer. For example, when you make bread with yeast in it, there are small holes in the bread, and the responsible for these holes is yeast. Now, yeah, believe it or not, yeast is actually a living microorganism, and it spreads out in the flour when you make the bread, and it makes these tiny gas bubbles that then become the holes in the bread. And this is pretty much the same thing we are seeing in this bottle. That was it for this science moment. We'll see you soon for another one.